Hey there, welcome to day 9 of my 90-day n8n challenge. So, quick recap of yesterday. We did the scary part. We went through the OAuth handshake and got our official key card or credential from Google. Our n8n bot is now authorized to talk to our Google Sheets. The vault door is unlocked. So, today we use that key card or we use that credential. We're not just standing outside, we're teaching our bot to walk into the vault and drop off its first piece of data. We are learning how to append a new row to our spreadsheet, all from n8n. This is the one you've been waiting for. And just before we jump into the plan, a quick reminder, I teach complete beginners AI automation using low code and no code tools just like this. If you're new here and want to start this challenge from the beginning, be sure to click the playlist link in the video to watch all the videos from day 1. Alright, let's get to the plan. Okay, let's draw out our bot's first real job. Alright, let's break this down. It's a simple three-part process. Over here on the left, we have our n8n bot. This is our worker. We're going to give it a job. Alright, in the middle here, we have a data packet. This is the information we want to send. We'll use a set node to create this, just like we've done before. Alright, it's going to be a simple JSON object like name, Blinky, and email is going to be blinky@robot.com. And here on the right, we have our Google Sheet, our vault. All right, as you can see, it already has data in it. Okay, now this arrow is the command we are giving. The command we're using today is append. So, what does append mean? It's a very simple and very safe command. Append just means add to the end. Alright, our bot is not going to look at row 1 or row 2. Alright, it's not going to delete or overwrite anything. It's just going to find its very first available blank row. In this case, it's row 3. Okay, and it's going to drop our data packet right in. It's like adding your name to the bottom of a sign up sheet. It's the easiest and safest way to write data, which is why it's the perfect first action to learn. Let's go teach our bot to do this. Alright, here we are, a blank workflow. Let's build our data delivery bot. First, as always, we're going to start with a trigger bot. Alright, and now we need to create data. I'm going to click on plus and I'm going to find the set node. Okay, and for the first field, I'm going to add the name or the key as name. It's string, and the value will be Blinky. For the second field, I'm going to add the key to be email, and the value will be Blinky at robot.com. Okay, great. Now our data is ready to be sent. Just gonna hit execute step. Make sure it's working. Perfect. We have name Blinky and email blinky@robot.com. We've got the JSON output here. That's perfect. So we have our data packet created. And now let's go back to our canvas and add another item here. This is going to be our worker node. Okay, I'm going to find Google Sheets. We have Google Sheets here, and we need to find append row in sheet. Okay, I'm going to click this. Awesome. So as you can see, we already had this Google Sheets account authenticated. So we're good with that. So we don't have to worry about the credentials. We don't have to worry about the red warning signal as well. Our bot has its credentials, its key card. The vault door is open. The operation, we had already selected append. We are good here as well. For the document, we could select from a list. We could select by URL or by ID. We're going to select by ID, and this is super important. And I'm going to go to my sheet here, Okay, this is my sheet. I have already put in a couple of rows here. So look at the URL over here at the top. This is a big, long, crazy string of letters and numbers in the middle. Okay, this is the ID. So I'm going to copy this right in the middle of the slashes. Okay, and once I get the file's unique address, I'm going to paste that into my n8n over here. Pasted that, and for the sheet, let's look at the sheet. We only have one sheet. And finally, the columns. Okay, how do we map our data? I'm going to hit add column. I'm going to select ABC as the name. Okay, and then for the value, I'm going to select ABC at test.com because this is the first. I don't have headers here, so instead of that, it's always better to have headers. But basically, it's considering these to be as headers, so I know this is the name and this is the email. But make sure you have headers like name and email instead. Okay, so now for the first name, I need to drag Blinky here, and we get our JSON expression and we get Blinky, and then we need to do the same for email and put it here. Awesome, we have both of these filled. We are done. Let's just recap the plan. We set the data, we had Blinky and the email address, and then we tell the Google Sheets node use our key card or our credentials. Find this specific file or sheet ID. Go to the sheet 1 tab and append our data. Put name in column A and put email in column B. Okay, we manually mapped it and it's all set. Now this is the moment of truth. I'm going to click execute step. It's done. Green checks. Let's look at the sheet here. Awesome. Did you just see that? It's there. It just appeared, right? So Blinky and Blinky at robot.com. Perfect. We did it. We just wrote data from n8n directly into Google Sheets. This is real automation. We just built a logger bot, right? This is amazing. And that's day 9. How cool was that, right? We officially have a one-way data street out of n8n. We used our key card or credentials to write data using the append command, and we watched it appear in our Google Sheet in real time. This is the foundation for so much. Saving leads from a web form, logging your expenses, creating reports, it all starts with this append skill. But this is only half the story, right? We can send data out. What about getting data in? What if we want our bot to read the spreadsheet, to get that data back into n8n so we can use it? Well, that's exactly what we're doing tomorrow on day 10. We're going to learn the get operation. If this video helped you, please do me a huge favor and give it a like, and be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the rest of this 90-day journey. It really helps the channel a lot. Thank you so much, and I'll see you tomorrow.